So this is my new Hijet Japanese import dump truck, mini dump here. It's pretty sweet. It's got fold down sides. He'll tailgate back there and put on there. It's got little latches down there. So it auto opens when I dump. Right hand drive, so gotta get another door. It's actually pretty nice. Starts right up. It's got AC, heat. It's a little tight in here for the tall guys. Yeah, see, runs good. High low down here. Good at neutral. PTO. I like putting it in third gear. Let the clutch out. Oh, that goes right up. Nice dump. It says it 40,000 pounds. We'll see. Is that pretty nice? Give a little gas, goes a little faster. Yeah, all the way up. Nice little dump here. Pretty good. Push a little lever, red lever forward here, and comes down automatic. Pretty good. Take those racks off, maybe put a couple boards on there. It's a little tight. Get used to getting in and out of it. Put it back in high. Got four-wheel drive right here, see? Four-wheel drive light turns on. Give her hell. Just mob around the property. It's nobody's business. Driving gears. Yeah. She works out pretty good. Maybe get some UTV tires on her. Some mud lug. Yep. Looks like he likes it. Horn works. All good. It's kind of nice too. Pull up the mailbox. Maybe have to get out. End of report.